Going, guys? Scotty at Miller Marine. Tuesday afternoon, right before mini lobster season. All those crazies are going to be out there at midnight tonight trying to get all those bugs. But we're not going to be partaking in any of that. We'll wait until regular season. But what do we got going on? We got this old egret in here. Older motor I don't like working on, but it's an older client of ours. Just got her pulled apart. Everything's got put back or pulled apart. I know what I need to get now. We had to order a ton more parts than I thought. Exhaust manifold that goes inside the mid, all that is busted up, and that's why it's overheating. New mounts down there. This thing wouldn't come out, so we're replacing that whole thing. Probably along with all the bushings and everything. All mounts, new of these. Those are gonna be all replaced there. So this one, waiting on the customer. He's got a pretty hefty estimate right now. Jupiter's in for electronics, slowly working on that. Just got the Grady in today on trailer. This one is getting new motors. We're gonna start de-rigging these today or tomorrow. We'll start de-rigging these. We got this nice contender in for a full service. That's done. That's going back in tomorrow. We got this old Ranger, 22 Bay Ranger. Our good friend, Mr. Juan Garcia, in for a couple different things. New steering hoses. Did a lower unit service for him. And then we're doing hydraulic lines and then a couple of little things. We put a new gauge in for him for speed and fuel. Put a speed sensor inside the motor so he could get all his RPM or miles per gallon and all that. So Jeff's got a new boat in, all new non-skid. Our buddy Dan, once Jeff's done with this, we're gonna rewire this one. So that'll be the next project. We already serviced the motor, just did an oil change on that. Got the little Hell's Bay over here for a couple little things, getting that knocked out. That's about it. I think we got a couple more things coming in tomorrow. But hopefully just the basic routine, nothing crazy. So, but that's what we got going on today, guys. Catch you later.